In today's quick and short tutorial, I'll show you how to use coupon codes on Temu, via the app, on your Android mobile phone. I'll screen record my phone, to show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is go and open up the Temu shopping app. Wait for the app to load. Once loaded, make sure you're signed into your account. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to add any random product into my shopping cart. Once you have the product selected that you want to buy, make sure you add it to your cart. It's worth noting that you must already have your coupon code ready to be entered, as you won't be given one inside the Temu app. Now click on the Go to Cart button. Once you're in the shopping cart, select your payment method. I will just select any payment method as it doesn't really matter for this tutorial. Now scroll down to where you see Apply Coupon Code, and click on the arrow. When the next page opens, this is where you need to add the coupon code you have. Once you select Apply, and it is accepted, any discounts related to that code will be deducted from your shopping cart's total amount. Now go back to view your shopping cart to ensure the deductions have been applied.